Today we're going to be discussing a massive utility update to Shiba Inu Coin. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be setting a like goal of 200 likes for this video. That is an easy like goal. I know you guys can hit that. Hit the like if you haven't already. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then invest in the Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you have yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. Okay, so here we are on public.com. We can see that we are down about 1% on the day, but we have found a nice support that we're going to be talking about at the end of the video with the technical analysis. We're also going to be going over what's going on with Shiba Inu Coin in general, and then a massive utility update in just 1 second. So make sure that you guys stick around till the end of the video to see all of that analysis. But the first thing I want to do is check the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin. And one thing I want to note is that Shiba Inu Coin, while it is number 6 on the activity charts, only behind Bitcoin in terms of cryptocurrencies on there, I would like to note that right above it is going to be Robinhood. Obviously these two have a bit of a history together, but you can see that Robinhood is down to $20 and is down 8% yesterday. Could this be because Shiba Inu Coin investors were invested and kind of believed in it and are not happy that they have not listed it yet or made an announcement on the listing of Shiba Inu Coin yet? I don't want to speculate, but I am speculating. Robinhood is most likely down, obviously because of their terrible financials last quarter, which Shiba Inu Coin could easily help, as well as Shiba Inu Coin not being announced on the Robinhood network. I just want to say that because Robinhood is trending and they are down 8%. Shiba Inu Coin only down about 1% today, and we're going to be talking more about it right now. Okay, and here's going to be the utility update for today. So I actually did not expect this whatsoever. I did not see this in the pipeline. However, Flexa HQ, which is basically a payment integration system, said let's get a head start on the weekend. Ticker symbol Shib is here. Now you can use Shib token for fast and fraud-proof payments anywhere where Flexa is accepted, including more than 40,000 stores across the US. Hashtag 25 days of Flexa. So I did not expect this. Obviously, you are able to accept a lot of different cryptocurrencies on Flexa, and we'll go over that in just 1 second. But Shiba Inu Coin was finally added, and now you're able to use these across the United States at a ton of different stores. So this is going to be a massive utility update for being used, for Shiba Inu Coin being used as a currency, which is something we really need. This needs to be continually updated and continually be able to use as a currency, but it's looking extremely good. You can see here, Woof Flexa is delighted to support Shib, the foundational token of Shiba Inu ecosystem for fast and fraud-proof payments anywhere on the Flexa network. So yeah, fraud-proof payments. You can literally use Shib to buy a ton of different stuff all around the United States. Shibas can download Speed In if you guys want to know how to do it, to try instant Shib payments today. And don't forget that we're offering 20% off at Regal Movies through the end of December. Terms apply. Woof. So basically you're going to be able to pay for Regal Movies with Shiba Inu Coin, not just AMC, which is going to be integrated obviously with BitPay very soon, but you are going to be able to go to Regal Movies and use Shib to pay for your popcorn, your licorice, your tickets, whatever it is. So and 40,000 other stores as well. You can see here Flexa is the true leader in pure digital payments. You know, who knows if that's actually true marketing and everything. Flexa offers fastest, most fraud-proof, I would probably accept that, payments in the world. Guaranteed settlement, flexible integration options. You can use USD CAD to pay for these things as well. Yeah, I mean, you get guaranteed settlement, and it's supported by an entire ecosystem of digital payment apps. So you can use Speed In, you can use Gemini, which I've used to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum in the past, and these other two, which I don't know what are, but they're trusted at 41,000 locations in the United States and Canada. So Shiba Inu Coin getting that integration with Flexa is going to be extremely good just for the overall utility of the coin going forward. I really like to see this integration. Okay, and now let's go over the global crypto market and Shiba Inu Coin Bitcoin in general, we can see that the crypto market's sitting at about 2.25 trillion. That's a 2% increase over the last day. And you guys can see here, we're finally starting to get some gains in the 7-day percentage chart right here. Bitcoin up about 1% over the last 7 days, Ethereum up as well, and finally getting some green over here on the last 7 days, which we haven't seen in a long time considering the crash we had a week ago. But all the way down here is Shiba Inu Coin. Currently, we are still down 9% on the week. However, we have found a support. We'll talk about that in just 1 second. We are behind Avalanche as well as Dogecoin at the moment. So that's what we're kind of looking at right now. Let's get into Shiba Inu Coin. Okay, and at first glance, the first thing I want to note is that the volume is currently sitting at about $1 billion. This needs to get to the $3 to $4 billion range, and I have been saying this for a very long time. If we're at $1 billion, we're going to be on a slow decrease, and the volume is down about 12% over the last 24 hours, so that's not heading in the right direction. Obviously, I think we have found a support here, and I'll talk about that in just 1 second, but I just do not like that the volume is so low. If you look at the historical data, you can see that the volume has been at about below 2 billion for the past 4 days. I'd like to see this get to about 3 to 4 billion if we want to see any gains in the next couple of days. Okay, but now let's get into the technical analysis. So I have drawn new support and resistance lines here. Obviously, if we zoom out, we did have this bull flag that I correctly predicted the breakout out of, but now it's looking like we have some different points of contact that I want to go over. So in terms of the resistance, we have 3 points of contact at the 385 level, one right here, one right here, and one right here. So it's looking like that's going to be our first, that's going to be our resistance for the near future. We also have about 4 or 3 points of contact with this support level at the 335 level, which is going to be right here, and right here. So we have 3 points of contact at the 335 support and 3 points of contact at the 3855 resistance. So it's looking like we're going to be trading between this area, consolidating until we do get a massive piece of news. Now, a lot of people have been speculating about Robinhood, so if we about an announcement possibly coming for Q1 of 2022. If that happens, obviously we'd break out of this. I don't know what other piece of news could break us out of this consolidation right now, but I do see us trading between these areas right now, and I love buying at these levels. This is like as close as you're gonna get to bottom for Shib, in my opinion. I think we stay above this support for a while, and yeah, I mean the RSI is currently sitting at about 50. We are trending up on the MACD, so everything's looking okay for a swing trade right now, and it's looking like the lowest we're gonna get is gonna be that 335 level. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on the video, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. I hope I brought you some value. There was a massive utility update today. That was a really good piece of news. Obviously, it's not going to move the needle too much in our consolidation efforts, but it really helps out our long-term vision of Shiba Inu Coin. So great piece of news there. Let's hit our like goal of 200 likes, and then also, if you guys haven't already, please comment down below how much Shiba you have, and then also get your free stock with that first link in the description. Get signed up with the public, deposit $1, try your luck at how much free stock you're gonna get. That's gonna be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.